Alright, y'all, so this is dinner prep. We got some collard greens, some bok choy at the bottom. Here we got some corn, tomatoes, cucumbers, and some microgreens, sunflower microgreens. Here we got some brown rice with some green onion and some tomatoes to soak up inside the brown rice. I got that part of an idea from an Asian recipe. When they cook their rice, they put tomato in the center of it. So I didn't have a big one, but I like to experiment. So this is just prepping what we're doing. I got my wife here making some juice. She got some collard greens with some cucumber. We got some orange here too. We're gonna mix in there with papaya, some kiwi, and some apples. And it's all gonna go to the juicer right here. It's gonna come out of this good stuff. So yeah, just showing you, this is our dinner time and prepping. Until next time, vegan life.